Okay, good morning everyone. Okay, today we are going to continue with the activity book. All right, 3B, we are continuing with it. Page 16. Please open to page 16. All right. Okay, you need to write today's day and date. Today is Friday. All right. So we are going to do page 16 and we are going to do page 17. Okay, so please write the date. Today is Friday, the 27th of November 2020. Okay, so on page 16, look at the page number, write today's date. All right. Okay, so 16 and then also on 17 you can write the date. So we are going to do page 16 and 17 in class today. All right, let's begin with the first one. What is the total volume of water in each set of beakers? All right, so you have a set of beakers. You have to find out what is the total volume of each set. All right, so let's look at the first one. I'm going to bring it a bit closer so that you can see clearly. All right, so the first one, the first beaker A is 500. All right, and the beaker B and the next beaker is in 100, but not all is, it's not full, so it is in tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So it is 500 for the first beaker and 70 for the second beaker. So the total is 570 ml. All right, so you can write in the box. Right? Okay, the next one. The first beaker is 1 liter, so you can write here 1 liter. And the second one is, now you can look at the beaker, it is 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350. So the mark is up to 350 ml. You must look at the beaker carefully before you start counting. Okay, so you must look at how it has been divided, how much is each part. You must look at that first. All right, carefully, you must look at it carefully. There's no rush. Okay, next one is C. Now, C, you have so many, so you need to add so many. So let's look at the 1 liter one. So this is 1 liter plus 1 liter. So this is 2 liters. Now, let's look at the smaller beakers. This is 500 plus 100 is 600 plus this is tens. All right, so 600 and now you can look here. It's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So it is 680. So 500, 100, 680. So it is 680 ml. Okay? Alright, now the next part is, for each set of beakers, mark the water levels to show the given volume. So you have the given volume, they've given you the volume. You have to mark to find out, to show the volume that is given. So the first one is 850. So 850, the first you can cover the full beaker, make it 500. Okay, so you can see I'm drawing the line 500 plus 350. So for 350, I'm going to count count and then mark. So this is 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350 is here. So I'm going to mark here 350. So the total volume of both the beakers is 850. So 500 plus 350 is 850, and then you can shade it with your pencil or with the blue color. You can shade it with pencil or with blue color, okay? You can shade it. You can use blue color, light blue color, okay? Please use very light blue color, don't use dark blue. Alright, the next one. 2 liters. Now this they have 2 beakers here and 1 more beaker, so 3 beakers here. So first they need 2 liters. So I'm going to show the mark for 1 liter, and this is 2 liters. And you have 600 ml. Now this one is in hundreds, okay? So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. This is 600. So I'm going to draw the line here to show 600. So the volume of these 3 beakers is 2 liters and 600. Again, you can shade all the 3 beakers, okay? Please shade lightly. You see how I'm doing? You can use a blue color also if you want to. Alright, you can use blue color if you want to. You can use a light blue color, alright? Please listen to the instructions. Don't use dark blue, use a light blue, okay? Use a very nice light blue which will just look nice. Don't do very dark. Okay, alright. So that's I've shaded the beakers to show the volume. Now the last one, see. 1 liter and 720 ml. So 1 liter, I'm going to do here 1 full liter. Okay. Then 720. So you have the first one 500. So that's 500. Then 600. Then 700. And the last one is 20. So count 10, 20. Alright. This is in tens each. So 10, 20. Please see the line carefully and draw, okay? You need to draw very carefully. Cannot do wrong. So look at it carefully. Look at it very carefully. You see I have drawn till 10 and 20, okay? Alright, and then you can shade all the beakers to show the volume of water in each. Alright? You can shade. Please shade. Do not do very hard. Don't press your pencil very hard. Just shade it carefully, okay? And shade it correctly. Don't shade beyond the thing. So you see what I did? I first drew the line and then I'm shading, okay? So you first draw the line and then you shade it.